Hello guys, welcome to our channel all about PC. This is my first video on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe. And today I'm going to a quick review, unboxing and review of the Sports Studio Sound Stereo, the wireless earphones. This is a very low budget earphones. I have brought it from the Amazon. As you can see on the top, the written Sports Sound Stereo and nicely packaged, and you can see as the earphone is lying inside it, and we will unbox it soon. And on the top of the box I will give you a quick review. There's a wireless porous earbuds, microphone, deep noise and smart compatibility. It supports Android and iPhone too. It's very nice. And on the side we have a lightweight and battery usage, voice dial, range is 10 meter, talk time 3 hours. And from the back we can see the edition, the sports headset, classic performance sound. Yeah, it's really nice. And the wireless earphones transmit range, and the charge time is 2.5 hours. It has the new features like the NFC plus multi-prompt connection plus voice prompt. Net weight is 30 gram. And on this side you can see the sports headset and earplugs cap as large, medium, small. And let's unbox it. And you can see that the earphone is inside it and with the magnet section, and they have given the USB charger, I think, for charging the earphones, and it's really small. And it has a really nice thing is about it's really nice cool earphones here with the red and black side. I think this side is for charging. Let I open it, and the buttons are really smooth, as you can hear it. Yeah, really smooth buttons, and the suction, as you can hear sound. Magnetic side, I think this side is for charging. Let I open it. Yeah, it's for the charging. I'll close it, and the buttons, as you can see in the video, is nice. I'm just owning the earphones. As you can see, the blue light is coming from it, and long pressing the middle button, the earphone gets on. And you can see red and blue light both. When it's red and blue, the earphone is currently on. And above button is for volume increase, and the move forward to change the next song, and lower button is for decreasing the volume and getting backward. And I have already connected it with the Bluetooth, and as you can I'm already connected my mobile phone with the Bluetooth connection with this, and I will just play a song and I will hear you as I will do that review on it. This is I think it's very nice, really nice. It's in the ear, it's correctly fits in. It's playing right now on the earphones. Yeah, it's a little bit done, as you can hear. As you can. It's really nice. And the long press, switch off. It's very really nice earphones. Link in the description is below if you want to buy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you once again.